Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to do a bicep curl. So when we're going to first start out, I want you to brace your core, a slight bend in the knees, and you're going to squeeze your glutes here. So you are all set, getting ready. So it's going to be just like this here. Just a slight little bend in the knees. You don't want to stick straight. Just a little bend, squeeze that core, squeeze the glutes. From here, you're going to have your arms to the side, and you're going to come up and twist the arms. So here you're starting in a neutral position. From that neutral position, you're going to come up and hit that bicep curl. So we'll do it with the weight here. So squeeze that core, bend the knees a little bit, stay nice and tight. From here, you're going to come up, and we're turning the dumbbells. So start in that neutral position, and we're coming up. Notice when I do this, coming to the side here, as I come up here, notice my elbows are by my side. Notice that they're not A, coming up like this, or B, notice they're not flaring out as I'm coming up. So keeping those elbows right by the side, straight up and back down. I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks, guys.